This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Catalano. Welcome home to this updated 4-bedroom, 2 full-bath home in a well-established neighborhood. This home has been lovingly maintained and cared for by current owners. Roof was replaced in 2019, siding in 2017, HVAC July 2020, approximately 1-year-old high-efficiency washer and dryer to convey with the sale of this house.Downstairs ceiling is fresh and professionally painted. This lovely home is convenient to all of the major roads, shopping centers, restaurants, military bases and easy commute to a few public beach. Schedule your tour today. For more information, review the details below.